Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find blocked accounts on your accounts on Snapchat. Easy and quick. First, click on your Snapchat, click on this settings icon here, and here you will find on account actions settings, you will find here blocked. Click on it, and here you can see all blocked as accounts on your Snapchat account. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.